configure Billboard, let's start in Google Cloud Console. In the billing menu for our billing account, we'll need to verify that billing usage cost exports are enabled. Billboard use standard usage cost export and detailed usage cost export. Detailed providing more granular resource level information. We need to know project name and dataset name where exports are located. For simplicity, the same dataset is typically used for standard and detailed exports. In case you don't yet have billing exports enabled, do so and continue configuration on the following day, after export tables are created. In addition to dataset, we'll need to know Google Cloud project number or project ID. The easiest place to find it is the home menu. Project ID and project number. In the second step, we'll go to Billboard GitHub repo. Configuration consists of two parts. First is installing Python virtual environment and dependencies, and second is executing Billboard script. Both steps are described in the walkthrough and will be also visible as tutorial in the console. We can continue the setup by clicking the link to open repo in the console. Confirm. The process is provisioning our shell instance and cloning the repository. We have a tutorial on the right. I'm copying the syntax to install Python virtual environment and dependencies and pasting them here. When an environment is ready, we can run Billboard help and see the required syntax. Script has 4 mandatory parameters: PR project ID, SE standard billing export dataset name, DE detailed billing export dataset name, and BB Billboard dataset name to be created. I will use example syntax. After executing the script, we are presented with links to Billboard views in BigQuery and the link to create Billboard dashboard in Data Studio. For the purpose of the demo, I will use directly the last link. After clicking it, we should be presented with Billboard dashboard created for our source data. So the configuration is almost finished. To save it, we use Edit and Share button. We add data sources to the report. It will make it saved permanently. We can rename the dashboard as we like. View the data. Edit the graphs. share report with team members, schedule sending a report by email, optionally embed it in another application, or download in PDF format. Thank you.